The 300-watt power source is great for our small business. Use it at art festivals, farmers markets, and all to power our lights, point-of-sale systems, charge phones.
A lot of times when we do fishing trips or hunting trips, we're camping where there's no power and we're out for several days. Because it has so many ports, I can charge multiple things at the same time. The multiple on-off switches for the different ports is really nice to have.
The power source is great for storm outages. You have zero emissions, so you don't have to worry about anything in the house.
It can run the refrigerator for about 2 hours. I was very surprised at what it can do for its size.
You can plug in your computer, your phone, and it's compact, it's lightweight, it gets the job done.
The carrying handle, being able to fold out of the way is nice because it keeps it more compact instead of having something molded in and being bulky. It doesn't take up a lot of room. You can put it in a backpack. You can put it pretty much anywhere in your vehicle and store it out of the way.
The task light allows us in the evenings when we don't have light to be able to use a keypad on the point of sale system. The power source is great to use all day, and when you're finished with it, you can bring it home, plug it directly into the wall, and it charges the battery really quick.
The solar panels are compact size. I can hook it to the inverter and be charging the battery while I'm also charging other smaller batteries off of the same unit.
Normally our day starts at 9 o'clock in the morning and then we don't leave until 6 o'clock at night. Having multiple batteries, you can change out your batteries and continue to go for the whole day.
More batteries, you're going to have more options instead of having to upgrade the entire unit. If you want power in other places, this is a no-brainer.